Welcome back to Nasa's Nest. If you've missed me, I've been a little busy putting together kits and working on a special project that's close to my heart because it's all about me. It's an all about me album that I'm going to be walking you through. Today we're going to be working on our cover. To create my cover, I took a 12 by 12 piece of paper and I am scrapbooking paper, and I am just cutting it down. You could Mod Podge this, but I am just using my trusty blue mono tabs to kind of set my gauge for this. That's why mine's a little poofy. And I like to distress, so I am going to distress my edges. Next thing I did was I created tags. My tags are created out of leftover index cards, but again, use your tag punch. You can hand cut them out. But what I want to do here is build a collage on my tag. If you're following along, the goal here is to make it your, personalize it for yourself. This one. That is the cover to my All About Me album.